Ani Mary-Jo Naandwechige, Health Services Director for Naandwechige Gamig Wikwemikong Health Center. I hope today finds each and every one of you in a good, healthy manner today and continue to maintain your health and wellness. An update from our health center. Again, a reminder, on May 24th, the Ministry of Health issued an update on additional direction on the testing strategy to support the continued focus on reducing the spread of COVID-19 within Ontario. And there's nothing wrong with getting tested, and we've been doing our part through Naandwechige Gamig. And should there be any positive results that come from that testing, we're here. We are here to support you throughout that journey. As of today, Naandwechige Gamig Wikwemikong Health Center continues to provide testing for those who have no symptoms, also known as asymptomatic. And we do this through a scheduled appointment with our community health nurses on board here at the health center. Every Monday and Tuesday are designated days to accommodate these requests by our community members. You must call ahead, book your appointment by Friday at noon at the latest, and then you'd be scheduled for the following week. Why is it important to consider asymptomatic testing? Well, first of all, people who are at risk of exposure to COVID-19 through your employment, which includes essential workers such as healthcare, grocery store employees, etc. That's one good reason. Another, you may have been in an area where the number of positive cases are highly active, and you want to make sure that you have not come into contact with the virus. You also want to have that peace of mind when returning home and not to infect others. Thirdly, you may be wanting to come home and visit your family, and you want that reassurance that you are COVID-19 negative. You might want to consider getting tested before you come home or upon arrival in the community. You can also make arrangements for that testing by calling our health center. Fourth, you may be living at home with a family member who is at risk or has compromised health conditions. Therefore, they are more susceptible to infection, and you want to reassure your family members that you are not carrying the virus. So in preparation, another example is in preparation for upcoming medical procedures. We've learned that practitioners are now asking our members to receive that COVID testing prior to their appointment. So our health center staff have facilitated those referrals and have continued to support our members. So I guess reminding community members that this is becoming the new normal. COVID-19 testing as a preventative measure to ensure a safe and healthy community. So we encourage you to call us on that and schedule your appointment. Also, through Naandwechige Gamig, our workplace practice and commitment has been established. So as you come through our doors, we continue to offer the screening. You still get that call before your appointment to be screened before the day before. And this is just a reminder that we are maintaining a safe and healthy environment when you are accessing our services. And we will continue to implement these safety precautions. We encourage testing of all frontline staff who have no symptoms but are at risk of exposure. So again, please make those arrangements with our existing staff here at the health center. In addition, we've been recently been called upon to support our families who may need to travel. It might be for medical reasons or other needs for essential services. And the requirement now is, we encourage our families to travel when they're traveling, that they are wearing the protective equipment such as masks. So our health center will be distributing additional masks to families that require them. So please reach out to us By next week, we should have more masks available specifically for children. And currently we have many staff within Wikwemikong and Ceded Territory who are going out and about in the community, who are delivering thank you packages to our members. And part of that thank you package is, which includes a mask for an adult, a child, and we also have gifted you with a small gift certificate. So we encourage, we are going to continue to say miigwech for being a participant in accepting our wellness calls. Those gift certificates are, even though there's an expiry date on it, we're reminding each of our members who have received that package that the expiry date, please disregard the expiry date. We're still going to accept the gift certificate at the local establishment, so please proceed with using that. And we also like to encourage you to continue accepting our wellness calls. Our staff have taken the time each and every day to call their respective members of the community that's on their list, and they really appreciate you answering their call. So with that being said, we'd like to again say miigwech to you as our members of Wikwemikong, we'd say miigwech for being a participant in our regular screening calls and being regularly practicing the safety measures that we've been reminding you each and every time we've sent out our messaging, whether it's through the newsletter or through our Facebook updates. So miigwech and enjoy the rest of your day. Bama.